In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear bumper bracket, which basically helps support your bumper, so if this is broken, it might not clip in correctly. So let's get started. We have to get the push clips off of this little shield here so we can peel it out of the way. So let's start with this top one. To do that, get your trim tool and you want to pop out the center. Now a lot of times these are going to be very stuck in here because of all the debris and sand that gets shot up from the wheel. So if it breaks, you're going to want to have another one on hand to replace it. But there you go, I was able to save this one. And with this peeled back a little bit, if you look close, you'll see that there's a 10mm bolt in here. We're going to have to remove it. You can peel the bumper back a little. With this corner popped out, you can pull back on the bumper cover, and there's the piece that we're after. Now you don't need to go any further. You can kind of hold it like this and work through this opening. This piece is not screwed in, bolted in, or anything like that. It just has two clips, I'll show you on the new one, that need to pop out, basically little tabs. And I'm just going to use a plastic pry tool and pop it out of here. If it breaks, that's fine, because obviously we're replacing it, and assuming yours is already broken, it might even pop off a lot easier. Okay, there's one. And two. This one didn't fully pop off, I guess. There we go. There it is. Mine broke, kind of, mostly on this side, but that's okay, because we're replacing it. Take the new piece and line it up. Press it in until it clicks. That's secured. Let's put the bumper on. These tabs here need to line up with the tabs on top of this bumper bracket. Press it on. That holds it up nicely. Line up this mounting screw and thread it in. Make sure you bottom it out. Make sure you snug it up. But it's only screwing into plastic, so once it gets snug, don't go any further because it'll strip out the plastic. Resituate this shield and put the push clip through. You can take the center out. I sprayed it with some rust penetrant. Make it slide in a little easier. There we go. Put the center back in. Press it in to lock it. And that's it. Bumper bracket replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.